Pete, I'm Fish. What a wonderful windy day. I'm on the Cannondale Adventure 2 in second gear, riding with the wind or against the wind. In the front of the camera, we have the Insta360 X5. On my last vlog, we taken the Ace Pro 2 and the Action 5 Pro, which I'm shooting on, and we did a shot of a gate in the background. And the colors of the gate look like cranberry and fire engine red. Also, the picnic tables, they look cranberry, fire engine red. And when I posted up and showed to somebody, all the colors looked a little different. And I was asked, what colors do they actually look like? Well, here I got a red car. How does that red car look to you? A Jeep. You can always go to Jeep and check out their color. I thought the colors were off on the Action 5 Pro some. We're safely going by the garbage truck. Now, I watched the video yesterday, and and try not to believe everything you hear online and do what people say online, because you know what's going to happen? Only you will know what happens. And it was a good thing they're doing a challenge. And 100 push-ups a day. Oh man, they're getting ready to add another layer on the top. And they got some more right behind. So they're building behind a nice skyscraper. Oh, let me get back to those challenges. Be careful, that's all I can say. Maybe in my highlight I'll show my challenge. Oh, we're right along. Check out towards the right. We got camera gear. We got some film going along. We got a show going along. We got a person waving me going along. Yes, indeed. Take a look, see what they're filming. I'm not the only cameraman around. How did it look to you? What'd you see? What were they showing? Visual Arts Center in the city. And they're doing their project. And my problem was, I was on Instaframe. So you saw me. But at least I got 7+K, that 360 that I load up for you, so you get to see a spherical shot. Oh, the wind is kicking. Now, Insta360 came out with a update for the Mic Air. Oh man, somebody already put it down. Said, what the fuck are you thinking? You can say the curse. Nobody's going to scold you. TV says ass, shit, things like that. Viewers' discretion describes. That's what you could put down there. I couldn't get into the shot of the show, but I got what I wanted. A shot of the scene. And shared to the world. So yeah, I got my X5 on the camera, as you can see. Yeah, the bicycle you can see. I don't love it. It shakes all over the place. Put it up there, it's no good. So yeah, I need to have, you got it, 2 mounts. I'm not about to go stop, set up 2 mounts, stop, move it around, stop. I'll give you guys credit for doing that, showing all. Real life, it ain't easy. I love being last. It's the best thing in the world. And to be told, that is. You ever get close up to a seagull, have him feed out of your hands? Yeah, man, grab some French fries, hold him. I was at Nathan's, sat there, and I ate my fries, and man, those seagulls came and ate right out of my hands. Nothing wrong with that. And they are big. They're not small birds. I'm holding my camera, shutting my lights off. Sometimes you gotta explain this to everybody. I don't want this to fall on that. This is just as expensive, almost as expensive as that. Well, yeah, man. This does all the shots for you. Don't want to ruin those lenses on it or break the screen on it. Well, I got a nice, strong selfie stick. And I don't know what type of shot I can get here with it, but I'm going to put this on the table, wrap it away back into its case. And that wind, look at that bike go, blowing. So I'm going to take my bike, put it over here. There you go. And then I'm going to take my camera, put it to the side. Oh, did you see? Can't get it all, man. Put my bike to the side. I forgot to shut the light off. Put my hat off as well. Now, I want to turn my camera more to the side. This challenge never said you cannot do a push-up this way. The challenge said you had to do a push-up this way. And it didn't say that if your knees were bent or touching the floor. Well, I'm going to do my 100 push-ups this way. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I got to do it 100 times. Camera magic. Oh no. I got to do 10 more. 10 more for you. All right. Here I go. You ready for the 10 more? It never said this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, the blood rushing to my head. Maybe to help pop my ears clean. That's 20. I'm already tired. I'll get the other 80 done later. I already lost weight doing that. Wow. I gotta tighten up my belt now. Yeah. Insta360 came out with firmware. I talked to you about that before. And I don't even think I even loaded up firmware of the first one. I'm still using it as is. When I got it, I connected it to the camera, connected it to that camera, and off I go. Because who needs anything further from this? Especially when using this. You're not going to want to have the camera placed here and be over there and capture yourself over there. What are you going to see? Not much. The good thing is, when you use a selfie stick that you can't reach, because you don't want to bring it in, that already has the ability to start when you do that and hold out like this. And this part of the stick gets shown. There's no way you could get that part of the stick to disappear. Do you hold the stick like this when you walk? Nobody shows. And this is a little bit better, more comforting than holding it, bending your wrists down. Maybe they hold the stick like this and point their finger. I'm not sure how you hold the stick. Or maybe they just hold it and they got it wasted. Or maybe they hold it in their hands and they walk like this and they got the hands walking like so. There's a lot of different ways how you walk with your stick. And the mic in the distance is pretty good. And that's where you would need to have the mic work for you. And you turn your back to the camera. You put the camera to your back. You should be able to be picked up if you're this distance away. Well, the DJI in this, sometimes it'll disconnect if it's that far away. It'll break up. And Insta360 Bluetooth technology, is it updated? Is it the latest one to use 5.0 to the camera? And if so, then something's not right. Don't blame me. I'm just saying to the camera in my thoughts out loud to the camera that maybe somebody out there knows the answer. Give you an idea how windy it is. And it's coming across this way. And the sun's blinding me. And it's a beautiful day. And I couldn't get to where I wanted to take that camera and the picture. Just not a day for me to go riding up there and fight to get there. I chose to come here instead. Yeah, man. We had some good times coming in last night. Oh, yeah, beautiful indeed. I don't see any cruise ships. Nothing. Well, what I can do is I could switch on over to the X5 and finish off my vlog and hold it out here and do my shots. But I don't like holding a smartphone type camera like so and getting my shots all the time. 1, warpiness. 2, clarity of the shot. That's where the action camera fits me better. Well, this I've taken with me not just to get that shot that you saw. I thought I would get out here and get some shots. So I see a uniwheel, and I see a scooter maybe. It looked like a uniwheel from here. It could be a uniwheel. Yeah, it was a uniwheel. They pulled right into the office. Sorry. This wasn't on to capture it. I didn't grab the camera to quickly turn around to capture it. Woo, I'm getting blown away. How far do you have to hold your selfie stick to get a good shot? I'm on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, including the handle I'm holding. I'm out just at the front of the wheel. And you can see that my Action 5 Pro is on in front. And I'm not comfortable. I'm not uncomfortable. I'm just not comfortable with this. Well, I could swing it around towards my back or towards my side to get the shot I want. I'm with the air mic on, the mic gear. And the wind is just kicking me. And like I said, not the day to shoot with cameras or being out trying to hold things. Seagulls, man. Holding the stick extended full over the shoulder. I like the video showing. I drop it down 90 degrees. And we'll ride on out. Oh, I'm gonna sit on my stick. Hold it just a little. Not comfortable, but it's a lot better than that over there. Well, let me pull it on out and off I go. Well, I could rig up my mount if I wanted to. I can't use the air mic and hit the shutter button, so I use the twist to record, and off I go. Basketball. Did you get it? Well, I am over the edge. Getting that shot. They're all packed up. Well, they got what they needed. Got a nice day, a nice sunrise. All the equipment, lighting, and more. All the gear. We'll take a look at me. I'm going to bring this right down to the water. And we'll switch on over on the ISNV file. Well, there you have it. Ending a wonderful dawn shot. I'm Fish, and I see you on the next video. Hope you enjoyed this vlog, sharing with you the Insta360 X5 and the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. That lady that went by, she takes her phone and she takes shots all the time of the sunrise. It's a little late. Have a great day.